That would be a $345 billion potential market swing, which is greater than the annual GDP of most nations globally. It's Monday, November 17th, 2025, and unfortunately, the markets are still volatile and there was more selling pressure coming in today. If there is a silver lining to all this, we still get to see each other every day, and I don't think that's going to slow down anytime soon. Maybe in December once we get that FOMC press conference on the 10th. But for the near term, with NVIDIA earnings this week, data releases finally coming back out, I suspect the volatility is going to persist in markets. So let's get right into it. And we do have data coming out this week, which is a big change after the government shutdown. On Wednesday, we have FOMC meeting minutes. Now, this is highly anticipated after, well, I guess our first rate cut and then that hawkish tone. Really, there was a hawkish tone in that initial FOMC press conference, and then again last week, which dropped the rate cut odds from 90% to 70%, and then with government data perhaps not rolling out at all, dropped to just above 50% now for the odds of a rate cut at that next December meeting. On Thursday, we have non-farm employment, unemployment rate, and potentially unemployment claims coming out as well. That last one is a bit tentative there. And we have on Friday, flash manufacturing and services PMI. Now, this one is a really important one because that denotates if there is expansion or contraction in the economy. And often assets like Bitcoin are correlated to expansion in something like flash manufacturing and flash services PMI. So watch that one as well on Friday. And in terms of earnings, this week is really all about NVIDIA on Wednesday with an impressive 7.5% implied volatility move. That would be a $345 billion potential market swing, which is greater than the annual GDP of most nations globally. Pretty unbelievable there. And then we also have on Wednesday Target as a retail bellwether and Walmart as well on Thursday to give us a read just on overall consumer strength.